Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Great Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can you trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is about Forex Euro Blaster, that in short we call FEB EA. This is specifically created to trade Euro USD. It uses grid as well as scalping both. Okay, situation to situation it varies, and this is specifically for Euro USD. However, we can trade other currency pairs as well, but we suggest only Euro USD to trade with tremendous response on BRPR. We are very much happy to introduce this expert advisor also in your arsenal, so that you can trade the forex market very comfortably and profitably. However, we do not recommend to trade anyone to trade forex. This is just a demonstration of our own account. Please do not take it as an investment advice. It is a disclaimer. Okay, so let's start from here. The minimum requirement is 1200. However, we started with 1000 on 15th of April. So we completed almost 2 months. I mean 2 months already completed, a few days more, but let's consider it as 2 months to make it more precise. Or maybe you can say 9 weeks, or I'm not calculated it yet, but it could be 9 weeks or maybe 10 weeks, I'm not sure. Or just take it as 2 months. Okay, so this is specifically for Euro USD, and you can see the type of lot size that we used, and it is a kind of scalper, and it can also trade on both directions as and when needed. Okay, so this all depends on situation to situation, because if you say like the market went to 400-500 pips or something, but that can happen in within an hour, in few hours, so the situation would be almost will be very different. So so this is just like we just covered. So it seems that in comparison the trades were pretty less. Okay, so we completed like with a deposit of 1000, we made 276.42 in 2 months. These are the running trades right now. As I said, it could be like a few buy sells and one sell trade, or it could be few sell trades and buy trades. So it all depends on situation to situation. Okay, so now if you would like to explore the MyFX book, then please give me a moment. So this is the MyFX book link for this particular account. However, I name it a little different just for my understanding, but this is the same. Okay, you can just check it out, like 1000, and the balance you can just validate it with that. Okay, so this is the growth graph, this is the balance graph, this is the profit graph, and this is the drawdown graph. Okay, so based on the statistics, the monthly is around 11.60% and the drawdown is around 11.97%. Okay, I would say not bad, it's pretty good for me. Okay, and you can see the profit factor is over 1.5, that is 2.05. Longs one 80%, short on 77%. Whatever the statistics you would like to see, it's all there. And I also included this link in the video description, so you can just check it out, explore it. And if you have any question about this expert advisor or other expert advisor, feel free to contact me. About other expert advisor that I uploaded on my FX book, then probably like once you go through the link that what I provided in the video description below, when you just scroll it down at the bottom, you will find the system URL. Okay, if you would like to see the other expert advisor statistics that I uploaded on my FX book, then you can just copy this one and just put it in your browser and press enter. So you will be like you will get this kind of page where you will see the other expert advisor that I attached with my FX book. Some are old, okay, some are recent, and some are more recent, right? Some are like this one we traded till May, okay, and this one traded with May last, so it is almost same, right? So it's there. Okay, so and so you can just check it out like this. And since we have to see this one, great trading, so it's already there. In April we made 8.71%, in May we made 9.63%, and in June we made 7.11%. Okay, So the total average is 11.59 as a monthly, and drawdown, the maximum drawdown has been 11.97%. For me, it's good. But in case if you have any interest, you can give me a message. You can send me a message over Telegram, or you can write me an email. I have included both the contact details in the video description, and also the link my FX book link of this particular expert advisor. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for being with me. And if you like the video, please subscribe, share, and comment on the video. And also, you are requested to join my Telegram channels where I post very occasionally, so you will not get bothered with the notifications, but maybe sometimes any information could be useful for you as well. So thank you very much. Stay safe, stay safe, and take care, and happy with your family.